Discover how to make the most of using your new Sky Q Touch remote. Press the Home button to go to the home screen and use the touchpad to navigate one menu item at a time by swiping down, up, right, and left. If you swipe and hold, you'll keep moving through the menu until you let go. To select, simply click anywhere on the touchpad. When watching a show, use the area above the touchpad to rewind, pause, fast forward, and play. To fast forward or rewind more quickly, swipe and hold, then release to play. Alternatively, tap repeatedly and then press to play. Press the search button to quickly find shows and movies. You will now also be able to use voice control to browse and find TV shows, move through recordings, open apps, and more by simply pressing and holding the voice button and speaking into the microphone located below the Sky button.
Billions.
The Sky button takes you to your recordings. Pressing the sidebar button opens the sidebar where you can find apps such as Sky News, Sky Sports News HQ, and Help. Press Dismiss to stop a recording or video, or to return to live TV if you're in a menu. Press the Standby button on your remote to turn your Sky Q box off or on. Press and hold the Standby button to turn your TV off or on.